What's up, everyone? So this here is New Dude 167, and today what I have for you is a video on unboxing and reviewing a MatrixPad Z1 Android tablet. Okay, so this tablet here is equivalent to an Amazon Fire tablet. Okay, the MatrixPad Z1 is only $70 on Amazon. So after watching this video, and if you're interested, check out the link in the description. It's going to direct you straight over to Amazon to get this tablet. All right, so what I'm going to do today, guys, is I'm going to unbox this tablet and show you everything that it has to offer right out of the package or right out of the box. And then what I'm going to do after that is I'm going to go over all the different features and specs when it comes to this tablet. And then after that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn this tablet on and I'm going to show you exactly how it works, what it has to offer, whether it's slow, whether it's fast, a whole bunch of different things like that. All right, so with that being said, give this video a thumbs up, okay? Give it a thumbs up, comment. Let me know what you think about this tablet, okay? Have you seen it? Have you not? And then, are you going to get it? If not, tell me what you think about all the different specs and features, okay? There's some really great features as well, all right? And then finally, subscribe, okay? When you do subscribe, hit that little bell icon. That way, anytime I upload a video, it'll go straight to your notifications. And by doing that, it will keep you updated on the latest and greatest. All right, with that being said, let's go ahead and get started. So like I said, I'm going to show you an unboxing of this product, which is the MatrixPad Z1. I'm going to unbox it. I'm going to show you everything that it comes with right out of the box. And then after that, I'm going to show you all the different specs. Okay, we're going to go over the features, the specs, everything like that. And then after that, I'm going to turn this tablet on. I'm going to turn it on and we're going to check out exactly how it functions. Okay, if it's fast, if it lags, we're going to do a few different things. Okay, so let's get on with this unboxing, okay? Let's see exactly what it has to offer. All right, so let's go ahead and open it up for the first time. Okay, so here it is. It's in the little plastic container. Really nice. I could already see the camera on the front as well as the back. Pretty cool. It's kind of feels just like every other tablet I've come across. Pretty much the average tablet. I mean, it feels sturdy just like any other, but let's go ahead and see what it has as well on the inside. Okay, it has our instruction pamphlet or book, which I never use or usually never even look at. Some use do, some use don't. Okay, let's see what else we have. Okay, we have a charger. Okay, we have a US plug charger, and then we have the charge cord as well. Okay, really awesome. Okay, so with that being said though, guys, let's go ahead and go over all the different specs within this tablet. Okay, there's a lot of different specs. There's a lot of different awesome things that come with this tablet. Okay, it's a pretty decent tablet. Just going over all the different specs, stuff like that. All right, let's move some of this stuff out of the way. Okay, so with that being said, guys, let's check out all these different specs. Okay, so first off, it's a MatrixPad Z1 by Vankyo. Okay, like I was saying, it's the Z1 tablet. It has a 7-inch ISP screen, okay, with Android 8.1 Oreo. And this here is the Go Edition, okay? It's the Go Edition. 72 gigabytes of storage. It has a quad-core processor, an ISP HD screen, and it supports Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Really nice, guys, really nice. Okay, and not only that, so let's go ahead and go over a couple different specs and all the different features. Okay, so with this Z1, the MatrixPad Z1, it has a 178-degree IPS display, and what that does is it renders your digital media in vivid, lifelike detail. It also gives crisp and vibrant images, some really great options. The battery, okay, the battery here is up to 8 hours of mixed usage. Okay, so 8 hours, guys, up to 8 hours. Okay, it also comes with voice control with the Google Assist, which is really good, guys. It works really good, really, really accurate. Okay, also, it also has two different cameras, a front camera as well as a back camera with 2 megapixel cameras on both. Okay, so the front is 2 megapixel, the back is 2 megapixel. Not bad for a tablet. Also, I mentioned it before, but it has 32 gigabytes of onboard storage, but you have the access or the capability of an expandable micro SD card that could give you an additional 128 gigabytes of storage. So guys, that's a lot of storage just with this little 7-inch tablet. It's also, this tablet here is also, it has a portable slim body. It's designed really slim, so you could take this anywhere and everywhere by that portable design. Okay, so enough of that. Let's go over the features real quick, and let's get to the best part of this whole video, how it actually works when it's turned on. Okay, so this here, okay, this tablet here is equipped with a powerful and energy-saving 64-bit quad processor, which is pretty good for a tablet. Okay, remember, it's a 7-inch tablet as well with the 8.1 Oreo. And this here is the Go edition, which is really nice. You could use like Netflix, YouTube, Sky, a whole bunch of different things, okay? It has that crisp and vivid 7-inch ISP or IPS display, like I mentioned before. Okay, it's 1024 by 600 IPS display, which is pretty good, guys. It's really bright, and it's true to life viewing experience from a bunch of different angles. Okay, and the battery, I told you it's up to 8 hours of mixed usage. All right, and one more time, guys, this is the coolest part about the features. Okay, it has a 32 gigabyte onboard memory, but you could buy a micro SD card that allows you to get an additional 128 gigabytes of memory. Okay, so with that being said, guys, I showed you all the different specs, all the different features. There's some really great features and specs, guys, for this little 7-inch tablet. So let's go ahead and turn it on. Let's check out exactly how it works, if it lags, stuff like that. So let's check it out. Okay, guys, so what I did is I turned it on, I put my email address, I got it all set up. It took like a matter of like a minute, guys. All I did is put my email address, hooked up to the Wi-Fi. So let's turn it on. Let's see exactly what this tablet has to offer, okay? Unlock it. So this is what it looks like when you first open it up, okay? You have a few different options. You have your Chrome, your Play Store, a few more other options as well. Okay, so first off, let's go ahead and move this. We're going to move this on over, okay? Let's see how fast it is when you swipe, okay? So the response time is pretty decent, okay? Not bad at all. Pretty decent, pretty quick, considering we only have 2 on here. All right, not bad at all. So remember, this is an Android tablet. It has the Google Play Store, okay? It has the Google Play Store, and you could have access to many and multiple different apps, okay? We all know what the Google Play Store is. It has hundreds to thousands of different apps, okay? Really, really nice. So I showed you this here, but guys, this ain't it, guys. Let's go ahead and go back. You know what I'm going to do? Let's go into Chrome, okay? Let's go to Chrome. You know what I want to do? I want to download something, okay? I want to download FileLink. I just want to see how fast it is, okay? So what you do is you go to File. Oh, dang, guys, I misspelled that bad. Okay, FileLink. Okay, so FileLink. We're going to hit Enter. Let's go to FileLink. We're going to enter FileLink. We're going to go to my FileLink store. Let's see how fast it downloads APK. Okay, we're going to go to FileLink.com. Okay, we're going to go to download FileLink right there. Chrome needs storage access to download. Okay, hit continue. Okay, we're going to allow. Remember, this is the first time, guys. Okay, we're going to hit download. Remember, guys, this is the first time we're going to hit OK. This is the first time even opening it, doing anything whatsoever, guys. So let's see how fast it takes, or how long it actually takes to just download the file linked APK, which is a really small APK. So we're going to go ahead and go here. It's only 9.14 megabytes. It's already almost done. Okay, we're going to hit that there. As you could see, guys, it's not bad at all. Okay, not bad at all. Settings. We have to install this. We're going to turn that on. Okay, we're going to go back. And we're going to hit install, okay? Like I was saying, though, guys, I just want to show you how fast it takes, or how long or how quick this tablet actually is to install something really, really small, okay? And especially file linked, okay? A lot of people are using file link, Kodi, stuff like that. In my honest opinion, I use file linked, okay, for all these APKs. Okay, as you could see, it was pretty fast, guys. Let's go into my store. Okay, go into my store. Okay, this is my store. Okay, hit dismiss. We're going to get another pop-up window, which is going to be here really briefly through file linked itself. But as you could see, though, guys, it's not a bad tablet. Works pretty fast. Not bad at all, guys. Not bad at all. So let's get out of there. You know what? Let's search some on Chrome. Or you know what? Let's just use the widget, okay? Let's look up my YouTube channel, guys. Just to show you how fast it is, okay? I know I hope I'm not boring you, but I want to show you exactly how fast the web browser is, how fast it downloads stuff, because that's initially what we do with tablets, okay? So let's see. All right, guys, as you could see, it's pretty fast. It goes pretty quick, guys. Really, really fast. All right, but with that being said, though, guys, what I did is I unboxed it. I showed you everything that it had to offer, okay? I showed you everything that this tablet had to offer, as far as, get rid of all that because I'm already signed in. But I showed you the unboxing, everything it came with as far as opening up the package. Okay, I showed you all the different specs. I told you and talked about all the different specs, all the different features. And then what I did is I opened it up. I turned it on. I opened it up. And I showed you the Google Play Store. I showed you how to install file linked, how fast it was, how fast, how slow, how quick, whatever you think it was. I thought it was pretty decent speed myself. All right. And I just navigated back and forth just to show you a couple different things, okay? But for the most part, it's a pretty decent tablet. It's runs smooth. There's nothing. I'd have to play with it a while, check it out to show you the pros and the cons. But for the moment being, it's a decent tablet. It's only $70 on Amazon. If you want to get one, check it out. I'm gonna throw the link in the description. If you want one, check it out, guys. They're on Amazon for like $70, guys. Not bad at all. All right, but anyway, with that being said, thank you for watching, guys. Thank you for watching this review of the MatrixPad Z1 by Vankyo. Okay, I gave you a lot of specs. I gave you everything about it, guys. Check it out. Let me know what you think in the comment section about this tablet. And then, with that being said, give this video a thumbs up, okay? Give it a thumbs up. Comment. Let me know, like I said, let me know what you think about this tablet. Is it good? Is it bad? Have you seen it? Have you used it? If you're going to get a tablet, let me know if you're going to get this one, all right? And then finally, subscribe. When you do subscribe, hit that little bell icon. That way, anytime I upload a video, it'll go straight to your notifications. And then, like usual, if you run into any problems whatsoever, running or installing any APK, using any device, whatever the issue or problem is, just comment in the comment section and I will definitely get back to you.